Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to look at one question from 2013 differential equation. So it says a tank containing water in the form of a cone with vertex C. The axis is vertical and the semi-vertical angle is 60 degrees. At time t0, the tank is full and the depth of the water is h. At this instant, a tap at C is open and the water begins to flow out. The volume of the water in the tank decreases at a rate proportional to square root h. So the volume is decreases, so that's mean dV by dt is proportional to root h with negative sign because it decreases, and which mean dV by dt is equal to negative k root h, where h is the depth of the water at time t. The tank becomes empty when t is equal to 60, and show that h and t satisfy a differential equation of the form. Okay, so we can consider the volume of a cone, so which is 1/3 pi r square h. So here, if you can see here, so we have h and we have this angle 60 degree, but we don't know the radius, so we can find the radius since we know this is a right angle triangle. So this is opposite and this is adjacent. So if we this is the radius, yeah. So if we find the radius, so that's mean tan of 60 degree is equal to r over h. So tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to r over h. So which mean r is equal to root 3 times h. So from here, if we can insert the value here, which is r is root 3h whole square times h, so that's mean volume will become 1/3 times pi times 3h square times h. So 3 and 3 gonna cancel out, so the volume will become pi times h cube. So now we have this equation and we have dV by dt. So it's asking us, we need to find dH by dt. So we can use the chain rule. So dH by dt is equal to dH by dV times dV by dt. So since we know dV by dt is already there, which is negative k root h, so the only thing we can differentiate this and we can take the reciprocal of this. So if we differentiate this, so that is dV by dH is equal to 3 pi h square. And since we know dH by dV, so we will take the reciprocal of this, so this will become 1 over 3 pi h square. So once we insert the values, so dH by dt is equal to 1 over 3 pi h square times by negative k root h. So if we simplify this, so dH by dt is equal to negative k root h, and then this is 3 pi, so h square and root h, so 2 minus half, so that means this is 3 by 2, so h to the power of 3 by 2, which can be written as negative k over 3 pi times h to the power of negative 3 by 2. So from here, if we see, it says we should give the answer dH by dt, which can be equal to negative a. So a is what here? K over 3 pi times h to the power of negative 3 pi by 2. So the meaning of this a is k over 3 pi. So we prove that So that's all we have to do in this question, in the first part of this question. Hope you understand it, and thanks for watching.